End quote. Imagine waking up, turning on your PlayStation, and realizing half the games you paid $70 for are just gone. No warning. No refund. Just an error code, and oppos, license expired, and oppos. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But it's about to become our reality. Sony has confirmed that by January 2028, they will stop manufacturing physical discs for PlayStation systems. The era of true ownership is ending. Even Hideo Kojima, the legend behind Metal Gear Solid, is warning us that this is a dangerous step toward a cloud-based future where we own absolutely nothing, end quote. End quote. Sony's decision to phase out physical discs by 2028 marks a complete shift to digital-only formats. This ISN and oppos, just a rumor. Sony has already begun retooling their disc manufacturing plants in Austria to produce other optical components, making this move nearly irreversible. Meanwhile, the few disk drives available for the PS5 Digital Edition are seeing prices skyrocket due to extreme scarcity, end quote. End quote. Why should you be worried? Look at Hideo Kojima's and oppos, tap water and oppos, metaphor. He compares digital services to a faucet. You pay a fee to keep the water flowing, but you don't own the source. If servers shut down or political landscapes change, your access to those games vanishes instantly, unlike owning a physical disc, which remains yours forever, end quote. We've already seen the consequences. Sony recently faced backlash for deleting over 550 purchased movies from user libraries. When you and oppos, buy and oppos, a game on the PlayStation Store, you aren't purchasing the product, you're buying a limited time and oppos, usage license and oppos. While Microsoft is reportedly exploring A and oppos, disc-to-digital and oppos, program to help users transition, Sony is doubling down on a future where your library can be revoked at any time. While the PS5 is a powerful machine, this transition exposes major weaknesses, a lack of high-quality first-party exclusives and poor backward compatibility with PS1, PS2, and PS3 games. By killing the disk drive, Sony is further distancing themselves from the legacy that built the brand, end quote. This is a crisis for preservation. Studies show 87% of classic games in the US are no longer commercially available. In Germany, an archive of over 60,000 titles recently closed due to funding issues. When physical media disappears, our gaming history becomes entirely dependent on corporate goodwill, which, as we and oppos, seen, is non-existent, end quote. The year 2028 is coming fast. Sony is betting you'll trade your consumer rights for convenience. But I want to hear from you, is this the end of your loyalty to PlayStation? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us keep these conversations alive. See you in the next one, end quote.